Imagine your smartphone turning into a magic money-making machine. That's the buzz around Pi Network. It's not just another app, it's a phenomenon sparking curiosity and controversy. Pi promises easy wealth, letting users mine coins with a tap. Some see the future of digital currency, others are skeptical. Join us as we uncover the facts, theories, and the real impact of Pi Network. Pi Network is a unique digital currency project that has taken the crypto world by storm. Founded by Dr. Nicholas Kakalis and Dr. Chengdiao Fan, two Stanford PhDs, the project aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which require technical knowledge and significant investment, Pi Network allows anyone with a smartphone to participate. The idea behind Pi Network is simple, yet revolutionary. By downloading the app and pressing a button daily, users can mine Pi coins without draining their phone's battery or using excessive data. This innovative approach has attracted over 50 million downloads, showcasing massive interest in the platform. The creators of Pi Network envision a world where digital currency is as easy to use as social media. They designed the platform to democratize cryptocurrency, removing barriers that have kept many people out of the crypto market. Their goal is to build a global community that benefits from a shared digital economy. While the concept is enticing, it also raises questions. What does it mean to mine cryptocurrency from a phone? And why are so many people drawn to this platform? These questions lead us to explore the mechanics of Pi Network and its broader implications. Mining cryptocurrency typically conjures images of powerful computers whirring away, consuming vast amounts of energy. Pi Network turns this idea on its head by offering a way to mine coins with minimal effort. At its core, Pi uses a method called the Stellar Consensus Protocol, which is far less resource-intensive than traditional mining methods. Users, fondly referred to as pioneers, simply tap a button in the app daily to mine Pi coins. This process doesn't involve solving complex mathematical problems. Instead, it relies on building security circles, groups of trusted users who verify transactions. This makes Pi mining energy efficient and accessible to anyone with a smartphone. The simplicity of Pi mining is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it lowers the barrier to entry, allowing more people to participate in the cryptocurrency revolution. On the other hand, it raises skepticism about the coin's value and security. Critics question whether such an easy-to-mine currency can hold any real-world value. Despite these concerns, the Pi community continues to grow. Enthusiasts are drawn to the idea of contributing to a new economic system that values participation over power. Whether Pi can fulfill its promise remains to be seen, but its unique approach is certainly a game-changer in the crypto landscape. As with any groundbreaking technology, Pi Network has not escaped scrutiny and speculation. Two prominent theories dominate discussions about its true nature. The first posits that Pi is a secret government tool designed for surveillance. The second sees it as a genuine opportunity for wealth creation and financial independence. The government tool theory suggests that Pi Network's real purpose is to gather personal data under the guise of a cryptocurrency platform. By requiring users to complete a Know Your Customer process, which involves submitting identification documents, Pi could potentially collect sensitive information on a massive scale. This theory fuels distrust among skeptics who view the project as a modern-day Trojan horse. On the flip side, many believe in Pi's potential as a wealth revolution. With its vast user base and innovative mining approach, Pi could democratize access to digital currency. It presents an opportunity for people in developing countries to participate in the global economy without traditional financial barriers. Proponents see Pi as a tool for empowerment rather than control. These conflicting theories highlight the uncertainty surrounding Pi Network's true intentions. As we delve deeper into how the app works, we'll uncover more about its inner workings and whether these theories hold any water. The Pi Network app is your gateway to a unique digital ecosystem. Users mine coins, build security circles, refer friends, or run nodes. Each role strengthens the network. KYC verification is required for security and compliance. The app's browser connects users to decentralized apps, wallets, and more. Altogether, Pi offers a self-contained digital world with limitless possibilities. One of the most contentious topics within the Pi community is the value of Pi coins. This debate centers around two competing ideas: the global consensus value, or GCV, and market-driven valuation. Each side presents a different vision of what Pi could be worth and how its value should be determined. Supporters of GCV propose setting a high, fixed price for Pi coins to attract merchants and create real purchasing power. They believe that establishing a consensus value can jumpstart the currency's adoption in the real world. However, this approach faces criticism for being artificial and, honestly, unsustainable in the long run. The opposing camp, including Pi's core team, advocates for a market-driven approach. They argue that Pi's true value can only emerge once it is freely traded on exchanges. This perspective aligns with traditional economic principles, where supply and demand determine worth. Until the open mainnet allows for such trading, Pi's value remains, well, speculative. This ongoing debate highlights the challenges Pi network faces in establishing itself as a legitimate digital currency. The resolution of this issue could significantly impact its future adoption and success. Despite its innovative approach and growing popularity, Pi network is not without its challenges and criticisms. The most prominent issue is the delay in launching the open mainnet. This delay has led to skepticism about the project's technical capabilities and its readiness for real-world application. Another challenge is the lack of significant adoption among businesses and institutions. While Pi boasts a large user base, it has yet to achieve widespread enterprise integration. This absence of institutional trust and use cases raises questions about the network's long-term viability and utility. Trust issues also arise from internal divisions, particularly the ongoing GCV debate. Conflicting opinions within the community can undermine external perception and slow ecosystem growth. To succeed, Pi network must build consensus among its users and present a unified vision. Addressing these challenges is crucial for Pi to realize its potential. The project's ability to overcome these roadblocks will determine whether it can transform from an experimental platform to a mainstream digital currency. As Pi network navigates its path forward, several potential scenarios emerge for its future. In a best-case scenario, Pi leverages its ISO 20022 compatibility and vast user base to become a major player in global payments. It could rival established networks like XRP and Stellar, transforming remittances and merchant payments worldwide. In a more moderate scenario, Pi might find success in niche markets, particularly for remittances in developing economies. While it may not achieve large-scale institutional adoption, it could still provide value to communities with limited access to traditional financial services. Conversely, the worst-case scenario sees Pi network struggling to overcome technical, regulatory, and adoption challenges. Without scaling and integration, its value could remain speculative, leaving its utility limited to a niche audience. These scenarios reflect the uncertainty surrounding Pi's trajectory. As we explore these possibilities, we'll consider what needs to happen for Pi to achieve its ambitious goals. Pi network stands at the crossroads of innovation and skepticism. Its revolutionary approach to mining and its massive user base position it as a potential game-changer in the world of digital currency. Yet questions about its value, true intentions, and ability to deliver on its promises linger. The debate over whether Pi is a government tool or a wealth revolution underscores the divide in perceptions. While some see it as an opportunity for financial empowerment, others remain cautious, wary of its implications. The resolution of these conflicting views will shape Pi's future acceptance and impact. In the end, Pi network is a fascinating experiment in democratizing digital currency. Its success will depend on its ability to address challenges, build trust, and prove its real-world utility. Whether it becomes a cornerstone of the new economy or fades into obscurity, Pi Network's journey is a testament to the ever-evolving landscape of technology and finance.